In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Surveymonkey survey, effectively stopping the collection of any more responses. This important step ensures that you can move forward with analyzing your data without further changes. Let's dive straight into the process. To begin with, you'll need to be logged into your Surveymonkey account and have your survey in question ready. The first step you need to take is to navigate to the section labeled Collect Responses. This is a critical area within Surveymonkey where you manage the different ways your survey is being distributed and is collecting data. As you open this section, you'll see all the collectors associated with your survey. These could include methods like web links, email invitations, and more. Each of these collectors will have a status next to them, indicating whether they are still collecting responses. Next, your task is to find all the collectors that are currently still open. These are the avenues through which additional responses are still being gathered. It's important to identify these correctly, as these are the collectors that you'll need to close to halt the intake of further responses. With your collectors identified, the final step is to close each one. To do this, locate the three little dots next to the collector you wish to close. This is an action menu that provides several options you can take with the collector. When you click these dots, a drop-down menu will appear. What you need to do now is select the option that allows you to delete the collector. By selecting Delete, you effectively stop that collector from capturing any additional responses, ensuring your survey data remains static from that point forward. If you're managing multiple collectors, remember to repeat this process for each collector that is still open. Closing all active collectors guarantees that your survey is completely closed off from new inputs. A quick tip as you go through this process: double-check the status of each collector after you've made changes to confirm they are no longer accepting responses. Keeping your data consistent is crucial, especially when you are preparing to analyze and possibly present it. By following these steps, you've successfully stopped the collection of responses for your Surveymonkey survey, allowing you to move on to the next phase of your project with confidence. Thank you for tuning in, and happy analyzing.